This is the Public Access Trauma Kit, or the PAcT kit. This kit was developed by Citizen-Aid, and you can have it in two different types. So the first one is using the Citizen-Aid tourniquet. Now this is a simple, easy way of applying a tourniquet to somebody. The second version is using commercial tourniquets. These particular tourniquets here are cat tourniquets, but they could have any other types in there instead of these. So they're the two sort of versions, the tourniquet version or the commercial tourniquet version. So inside the kit is all that you would need to treat a catastrophic bleed. So you could have one of these kits in a workplace or an individual location, or you could have multiple kits in an area like a shopping centre or somewhere where you may well have to deal with a very large scale, potentially an explosion or a fire or something that's caused a lot of damage to people. So the kits themselves have got everything you need, not only to treat the injuries, but also to protect yourself. So if we look at the PPE to start with, it's got face masks, gloves, CPR face shields in there, and also protection for your eyes, just so you're not getting any splatter of blood or body fluids in your eyes. You can protect your mouth and also your hands with the gloves there. On this side, we've got the tourniquets themselves, or they will be replaced by the commercial type tourniquet. It's got some slings in there. So the Citizen-Aid Pocket Guide. This is really important because it tells you how to do everything. Now, Citizen-Aid also have an app as well, so I strongly recommend you download the app onto your phone and have a look through that. So when you've got a bit of time, have a look through. It's a very good learning tool. But if you ever had to deal with something, having the app on your phone is very, very good, because it will give you all the information you need to treat just about any major incident you like to come across. As well as these, we've got some instruction leaflets in there as well. There's some pens so you can mark on the tourniquet or directly on the patient exactly what time the tourniquets were put on. Scissors, you can cut away any clothing. It's got triangular bandages and also trauma dressings. Now, trauma dressings are very, very effective, but they do hold a lot of blood. So just be aware that one of these could hold anything up to ½ a litre of blood. So, you know, that person has lost a lot of blood, so shock can come into it as a major, major problem. So whether you're dealing with any injury on any part of the body, you've got trauma dressings, you've got trauma dressings for limbs or the body, you've got tourniquets or tourniquets to deal with any major bleeds to arms and legs. So overall, this kit comes in a plastic box, but we sell these, but you could also have them in soft bags as well if you wanted, or multiple sites. So maybe a trolley with lots of these kits on the trolley, so it's very easy to get them out to a situation where they're needed. If you want any more information on these kits, you can buy them directly from our website. And also, we can do them personalised if you want. So if you want to buy multiple boxes, then we can personalise them, so we can put any information on the label that's unique to that location. So maybe you want them numbered, 1 to 20, so you know exactly which one's which. Or you want logos on the kits as well. We can do that with these packs as well. For more information on these kits, please contact us.